Hey everyone, you're trying to keep your finances separate. Maybe you're managing personal and business expenses, or perhaps you're saving for a specific goal. Venmo, with its easy-to-use interface and peer-to-peer payment system, can be a great tool. But what if you need to maintain multiple Venmo accounts? Can you have two Venmo accounts with the same phone number? Hook. Let's dive into that question and explore the possibilities. Body. Understanding Venmo's terms of service. Before we get into the specifics, it's important to understand Venmo's terms of service. While Venmo doesn't explicitly prohibit multiple accounts, it does state that you should only have one account per person. This is to prevent fraud and ensure account security. Potential workarounds. While Venmo's official stance suggests one account per person, there might be some workarounds. Let's explore a few possibilities. Different email addresses. One of the most common methods is to create a separate email address for each Venmo account. This can help differentiate between personal and business accounts or other specific purposes. Example, use email address removed for your personal account and email address removed for your business account. Multiple phone numbers. If you have multiple phone numbers, e.g., a personal and a business number, you can use each number to create a separate Venmo account. This can be a practical solution if you need to keep your finances strictly segregated. Note, ensure that the phone numbers are associated with different SIM cards or lines to avoid any conflicts. Virtual phone numbers. If you don't have multiple physical phone numbers, you can consider using a virtual phone number service. These services provide you with a phone number that can be used for various online activities, including creating Venmo accounts. Example, services like Twilio or Google Voice can offer virtual phone numbers. Considerations and risks. While these workarounds might seem promising, it's essential to consider the potential risks and drawbacks. Account security. Using multiple accounts can make it more challenging to manage your security and privacy settings. Ensure that you use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication for all accounts. Venmo's policies. Venmo might detect and restrict multiple accounts associated with the same person, even if you're using workarounds. It's crucial to follow their terms of service and avoid any suspicious activity. Tax implications. If you're using Venmo for business purposes, be aware of the tax implications. Consult with a tax professional to understand your reporting obligations. Conclusion. So, can you have two Venmo accounts with the same phone number? While Venmo's official policy suggests one account per person, there are potential workarounds involving different email addresses, multiple phone numbers, or virtual phone numbers. However, it's important to weigh the benefits against the potential risks and ensure compliance with Venmo's terms of service. Remember, if you're unsure about using multiple accounts or have specific concerns, it's always a good idea to reach out to Venmo's customer support for clarification. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.